Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. Today we've got a pretty good looking Ram 2500. This is a brand new night edition from MT. So black night edition, already had the chrome delete. This is a Laramie 2500. We've gone and installed a Carli 3.25 inch pin top kit. The Carli equipment just keeps on amazing us. Even on this one, we've just done the basic install. So this is your shocks, your coils, front adjustable panhard rod. And in the rear of this one, we've gone for the Carli R1 coils. This is with Airbag Man coil helpers for when he does throw a load on the back. In the rear end, you've got your sway bar end links, you've got your track bar drop, and you also have to do the sway bar drop on the front on this one as well. So you either do the torsion sway bar, which is the most popular upgrade. We normally go all out when we do these 3.25 inch kits. You have to do the radius arm drops. So while you got the radius arms out, adding those extra radius arms with the weld-on limit straps is definitely a good option to upgrade with. You're not going to overextend that shocky when you are on corrugated roads or the wheels are falling into potholes. But this base kit proved today, driving around town, over speed bumps, around roundabouts, it's still so much better than stock. You've got that good stance and good clearance at 3.25 inch height. This added with the 35 inch tyres underneath definitely improves the ride all round. Toyo Mud Terrain 35, 12.5, 18 on some Method 305 NV HDs. So massive 2-ton load rated wheels here. It's the black 305 NVs with the black lip bolts as well. And to add to this build, we've also installed the laser lamp LED light behind the Ram grille. So the Ram 25 or 3500, we've got the laser lamp brackets to hold the triple R 1250 LED light. This performance behind the grille, the Ram headlights at night time can be a little bit weak. So installing this is definitely going to upgrade when there's no cars in front. We've done a basic switch on this one, just one little output. This customer's not going to go and add roof racks or too much crazy stuff in regards to the touring or the weekend warriors that we're used to. But we have gone and installed a tonneau cover on the back. Electric tonneau cover, we've installed the GME XRS 370 with the 680mm antenna here. Nice and neat option on the tonneau cover. It's going to be waterproof enough to throw some gear in the back. You've got your 80 channel UHF here for when you do go on a bit of a trip with the convoy, or you can listen to those highway channels, make sure that the roads up ahead are clear. Great looking 2500 Ram here, guys. If you're in the market for one of these ones, you've got one on order. MT definitely got some good looking ones coming through. Ram Trucks Australia definitely got heaps coming through. They only have the Laramie option with the chrome. So we can chrome delete the Laramies from Ram Trucks Australia to make it look similar, or add a bit of flair if we're doing the chrome delete as well and color code it to the way that you want. So the badges, you got your front bar, your rear bar, the Ram on the front. We can definitely customize this to suit your needs. I look forward to hearing from you today, guys. Jump on our website, fill out the book a call tab. We're booking into sort of August, September at the moment, and I look forward to seeing your inquiry. Cheers, guys.